Collagen supplementation has been shown to improve elasticity and help decrease the amount of excess tissue without the need for surgery or liposuction. If you are looking for how to tighten loose skin on your arms naturally or how to get rid of saggy belly skin, then collagen supplements are a great choice. When an immune response tricks tissues into thinking they are injured, it causes inflammation, and the body makes too much collagen, leading to scleroderma. Too much collagen in your skin and other tissues causes patches of tight, hard skin. Today in this video, I will share how to make face pack for tightening skin. In a bowl, take about 2 tablespoon egg white, 2 tablespoon gram flour, and add about half teaspoon of turmeric. Mix it well and apply over cleansed and dried face with the help of brush. Allow this mask to sit on your face until it dries up completely. Wash it off with lukewarm water. Besan can remove dead cells and also tighten the pores of your skin, making the skin smooth. Turmeric is an anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. These properties help tighten pores and improve skin tone and pH balance. Egg whites are also great agents in preventing fine lines and wrinkles as they tighten the skin and increase its elasticity. Apart from that, egg packs are also good in balancing the sebum levels of the skin. That means if you apply egg packs to your face, you will have healthy and glowing skin which is not oily.